Okay, this video we will make introduction how to set up the workpiece reference place. Okay, for our this machine, it is a wood lathe and CNC router together machine. So for it, we just need to set up the y-axis workpiece reference place. It will be okay. For the x and z-axis, it doesn't need to set up because our machine with a rotating spindle, as per the machine structure with the center of the spindle, it already fixed the z-axis and y-axis places. So we just need to set up the y-axis. Okay. Before we set up it, we firstly need to load our workpiece on the double spindle centers. Okay, and load it and tight it. Okay, because for this example, my wood workpiece isn't long enough, so I just use this short wood to make a showing. Okay, after we load the wood workpiece here, we just need to control the X, Y, Z axis by the hand wheel to let the cutter blade to touch this face of the wood and to get the Y axis. Okay. Now I will make a showing. Okay. Firstly, I want to use the T4 cutter to make the setup. Back of this is the T4. This is T2 cutter, and another side is T4. It with a 16mm diameter cutter, straight shank cutter. Okay. Firstly, I will need to change the cutter. Okay. Firstly, I select this page. Select this mode, MDI mode. Okay. Select this one, and go back to the monitor group. Yeah, and press the MDI button. Okay, it show here the window. We need into the T4 and M6 and A0. This shooting A0 cannot be missed. Okay, we input this by the keyboard. Okay, and after we finish, we need to press the login button. Okay, now press the cycle start to change the cutter. You can see here is the T1. After we make the changing, it will show T4. Okay, press the cycle start. See? Okay, now we will use the T4 cutter to make the calibration. Okay, here I also show the T4. It is a 60mm diameter cutter. Okay, now I change into the hand wheel function, and I will use the hand wheel to move the X, Y, Z axis. Okay, it will be easier. I just put here and easy to wash. Okay. Firstly, I need to line the Y axis to go backward to go to the cutter. Okay. I will select the Y axis and select the speed. We can change the speed by this knob. And rotate the hand wheel. This way backward is minus, forward is plus. Okay, now I rotate the minus. Okay, so we can let the y-axis to go backward. Okay, yeah. Okay, now I change into z-axis and let the cutter, let the spindle come down. Okay. Come down is also minus. Come down. Okay. Yeah. I'm changing to X axis and let the axis, let the wood workpiece go this way. So it's a plus. Okay. It's minus this way. Okay. So we need to take care. Don't let the cutter to touch the spindle. Okay. So, yeah, change into Y, go, okay, X, okay, Okay, so let Z, okay, come down, minus, Z, come down a little, yeah, and Y, okay, minus, we can change the speed, slower speed, and rotate it, yeah, and rotate it, only until the blade touch the wood, that will be okay, yeah. Okay, it's okay. The blade, the cutter blade already touched this place. So, for this place, we can get this y-axis data and set up to the G54 workpiece coordinate. Okay, so we can go back here and select setup page. And here we can set up the G54. Okay, for the y-axis we can check here. For the machine y-axis is this data. Okay. We need to remember our cutter diameter is 16, so we need minus half diameter of the blade, the cutter blade. Okay, the cutter. So we can calculate by this minus 6, so we can input 600 2, yes, minus 8, yeah, get this number. Okay, and we just can press enter to change this number. Press keyboard enter. Okay. Now we can get the correct y-axis data here. So after input here, then we finish the workpiece setup. Now we need to lift the z-axis firstly. Okay, change into the z and let it go to the safe place. Yeah. Now we can change into y and go back to the safe place. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, then we can go back to the main page, and you can copy the program to do the production.